This is the Consew 225 sewing machine, industrial walking foot, compound feed. And we've got the servo motor on it, set it for 200. And then let's see, use the knee lift to turn. This is, in some areas, this is 6 layers of leather. In some areas, it's only 3. So it just depends on which part it's going over, how thick it is. But it doesn't have any problems going over the multiple layers. It does very, 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 very well, which is nice. Now, I like to have my needles starting to come up before I turn. I'm using a knee lift again to raise the presser foot, but it has absolutely no problem going through all the layers of leather. And by having the servo set clear down to 200, since this is, I'm relatively new at using this type of compound feed machine, and back the clutch motor used to be super, super fast and way too fast to control safely for somebody like me or a person new at this type of sewing. But it's just really nice to see how smoothly and how well it sews through the leather, regardless of how many layers thick it is. But so Dave and Nan, this is the machine that we have. Dad's still going to put a brand new feed dog and brand new walking foot on it. I'm still using the same needle that was on it when I bought it, or not when we got it. Basically, you can definitely go faster if you want to, but you adjust the servo motor to do that. This is your servo motor down here, and for slowing it down, you push this, and for speeding it up, you push that. See, if you wanted to go 300, at the 300 speed. Here, I'll go ahead and show that. Let's see. I don't know if I'm actually changing it. I might have to actually push something else after. Oh, that is definitely faster. But going back down to 200 gives you a lot more control. You turn your hand wheel towards you when you're wanting to take a stitch, like for getting ready to turn at a corner like that. So having the servo on it, servo motor, has made it much, much, much more controllable, much, much easier to do. Especially much safer for somebody who's new to sewing and or new to this type of stuff. Let's see, let's show you. There we go. That's 800. And turn before we do the 900. 900. And going back down. Let's see, so 100. This is 100. You can actually go and stop with each stitch if you need to at 100. So it really depends on what you want speed-wise, but it's an amazing machine.